If you're looking for different ways that you can make extra income on the side while you're still working that 9 to 5, but you don't want to throw your schedule out of whack, you come to the right place. Hi everyone, this is Joshua coming to you from justfrugalme.com. If this is your first time on the channel and you're looking for ways that you can save, make money, and enjoy life on a budget, I'm going to ask for you to click that subscribe button over there, and that way that you never miss another update. There are so many simple ways that you can make a passive income. Making money doesn't have to be difficult. No matter how good you are at saving, you can always use a few extra dollars that will definitely help you reach your goal much faster. Regardless if it's paying off debt, having a home project, or saving for that dream vacation. Here are 5 ways to rack in that cash to help you reach your goal much quicker. So if you like listening to music, this one right here is definitely for you. With Music X-Ray, you can participate in a focus group or rate the music that you listen to from new artists. It's the more that you participate, it's the higher your earnings will be. Another passive income is teaching English online. If you have a bachelor's degree, then you are eligible to teach in the comfort of your own home with VIP Kids. VIP Kids will provide you with curriculum, and with this, you can earn up to $22 per hour by teaching English to Chinese kids. However, there is no requirement that you speak Chinese. With VIP Kids, you get to choose your own times on a flexible schedule, and the classes are in 30-minute increments. Wouldn't it be great to get paid to play with dogs? If you love animals, pet sitting is a great way that you can earn extra money. And the great thing with pet sitting is that you get to set it on your own schedule. So if you work 9 to 5 every day and you're tired in the afternoons, why not choose the weekends to work? So it is very flexible for pet sitting. And a great way to get started is by visiting this website called Rover. Rover is a website that connects the pet owner to the pet sitter. Have you ever considered renting out your car? And you really don't have to do much, except keeping it clean, of course. You simply list your car when you're not using it through this website called Turo. With Turo, you are protected up to $1 million of liability insurance. And your car is covered against theft and physical damage as well. And I'm going to leave all of these links in the comment section below in case if you wanted to go back and just visit these websites. And none of these websites that I am giving you right now are affiliates. It's just a good point of reference. And do you have a passion to help someone administratively or with booking or their calendar or website design or posting to social media? As a virtual assistant, you complete administrative tasks like setting up appointments using Google Calendar, doing web searches, website maintenance, and posting comments on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and etc. It is up to you on how much money that you can make based off of your effort and how much time that you really want to put into these side hustles. The amount of time that you put into this is the amount of reward that you will receive out. Well, that's my short list on things that you can do to create that passive income. However, I know there is a lot of other ways that you can create a passive income. If there's something that you're doing, I would like to hear from you in the comment section below. Share it with the neighborhood here at justfrugalme.com. Share this video with those who you believe that will benefit from the content. Like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. Remember that being frugal is not about being cheap, it's about being resourceful. Until then, have a great day. See you next time.